she, me, each, even, key, bit, build, lift, fish, kitchen, foot, took, cook, shook, stood, loo, boot, news, juice, loose, egg, get, friend, nest, engine, up, about, common, standard, butter, nurse, stir, learn, refer, or, bought, raw, wrong, back, that, fax, value, sat, hatch, matter, son, lucky, mom, car, rattle, butter, lot, odd, gosh,